Black women want to restore your hair back? Here's a recipe of success to do that. First thing, find a dermatologist / trichologist in your area that specialize in your hair. Not just putting you in a box, whether it's in telling you it's a chemical situation or it's traction alopecia, that can look at the blood work, give you a regimen and say, hey, these are the steps you need to do. And I promise you, you'll see hair restoration. Next step is finding an excellent hairstylist. Hairstylists are not just a person that can style your hair, but they also can take care of your hair. So if they can create the foundation in helping you take care of your hair, and they're up to date on the latest styles that can give you the style that you would like, and in the process of restoring your hair, that's your second step. And the last step of the recipe is your mindset. Don't set up unrealistic expectations. If you didn't grow your hair back, if you didn't grow your hair as a kid, your hair didn't get to your shoulder in 3 days, don't expect the same thing, because if you do that, you're going to become discouraged and you're going to stop being consistent in doing this recipe. I hope this helps. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.